Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to upload public audios to Roblox. So in order to upload a public audio to Roblox, we have to open up our browser firstly. After that, we will go to the search panel, and in the search panel, we have to type Roblox. Just Roblox, and then we will go to the Google search option. After that, we have to head to the website of Roblox, which will come up at first, so just left click on it. Let the website load properly first. After the website gets properly loaded, you'll just head to the Create tab. Now let Create tab load properly. After it loads, all you need to do is go to the Creations tab from the left hand side of your screen. After going to the Creation tab, you will go to the Development items. From here, you'll go to the Audio section. Now in Audio section, all you have to do is click on Upload Asset. The asset type will be audio, and if you click on the upload button, you will be able to upload an audio file. Keep in mind the audio file has to be on MP3 or .ogg format. The most convenient option will be MP3 because it is the most commonly and widely used. I'll just click on upload. Now I will upload this music. Click on open. So the name has been changed to the file name, but you can change it to whatever you prefer. I'll just change it to audio, and the description can be whatever you want as well. And after that, just click on upload, and now the file is uploaded, and I can use it anywhere by just clicking on the three dots on the right hand side. Then clicking on Open Asset Details, and from here I can copy the asset ID and use it in my games, creations, and etc. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.